15th of May 2025. We are at Azad Maidan, and the purpose of we coming with these coconut shells, potties, is to beg. Now we have reached the stage to beg. First we were asking. Now we are begging from the Honorable Chief Minister to give us what is already there in the budget. It is not that they have to appropriate, create some head, find the money somewhere. The money is there in the budget and the money is not being given. So in this scenario, it is going to get difficult. In the month of March, I have informed the government, that is the Honorable Social Welfare Minister, who is also the Minister for Persons with Disability, that by end of May, we will be running out of resources. And he was very clear, त्याने दोन्ही डायरेक्टराक सांगला एका पैसे 15th of March दी, 15th of May तेका दी. हे तेका सांगता आमी सप्लिमेंटरी बजेटान काय कितें स्टोरी सांगले. तो म्हणाला आपल्याक इंटरेस्टेड ना ते सप्लिमेंटरी बजेटी, आता तुम्ही तेका पैसे दिया. So Honorable CM या बजेटान which has happened on 26th of March, he has put the money without any proposal going from the department into the budget. म्हणजे कितें पैसे तांकां दिले. आता दिले कोणेन? सीएमान. ओके, म्हणजे सीएम सांगता कितें आमकां, तुमी घरां बंद करी नाकाय, आमकडे पयशे आहा. सो ह्या वर्साक म्हाका दिसना अशें केन्ना तरी केलें की हेंच्यांनी पयशे पयलेच दिले आनी विदावट प्रपोजल. म्हाका खबर ना. आतां आमकां पयशे केन्ना येतले? सद्याक सेक्रेटरी जे आहा तो रिटायर जावपाचो आहा 31st of May. सो दुसरो सेक्रेटरी येयलो आनी तेणे तो अप्रूव करूंक ना जाल्यार आमी हांगाच उरले. So we cannot carry forward beyond May because we don't have the money. The issue is, आम्ही एक पट्ट्यो घेवन येयला सीएमा कडेन भीक मागपाक, बाबा तूं जे पयशे आमकां प्रॉमिस केले ते तरी दी. आमी तुका उपकार करिना आनी तूं आमकां उपकार करिना. तुवें ऑलरेडी घातले बजेटान. आतां तुमचो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन काम करिना जाल्यार आमी कितें करूं? लोक कितें करता न्हू, सकलसून वयर वयता. आमी वयरसून सकल येयलो. सीएमाक आमी एक्सप्लेन केलो तो अंडरस्टँड जालो, मिनिस्टराक एक्सप्लेन केलो तो अंडरस्टँड जालो, सेक्रेटरीक एक्सप्लेन केलो तो. आतां दीस हायरार्की हॅज कम नाव टू द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. नाव वेन इज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन गोइंग टू मूव? वी हॅव रेनी सीजन नेक्स्ट मंथ. सद्याक टेन्शन बंद जाला बॉर्डरीचेर. तो टेन्शन वाडलो जाल्यार आमी कितें हे खातले? 200 लोक आमचे ना. हे फक्त 1/3 काय 1/4 हाडलो. म्हाकाय खबर ना कितले जाणां हाडला ते. सो इन दीस सिनारियो देर इज नो ऑल्टरनेटीव. We have written letters. There is a proposal given in the department in January to release the funds. The money is given in March and we have reached May. Now if the administration is not keen to help us, then we don't have any alternative. You already have one home shut down in Tenjim and I don't think anybody else wants us to shut down. It looks like certain administration wants us to shut down. Or certain administration wants to just waste our time, get these people here in the heat and go merry-go-round the bush. So with these potties now, we will be going to CM's bungalow to remind him, Papa, you have not given us what you have put in the budget. And there is no other alternative.
Budget allowed.
Budget has been allotted to what we asked. The figures are good, the grant is good, there's not problem with the budget. The problem is, where is the money? इतल्या वर्सां आमी आतां रस्त्यार येता ते म्हणटा रिअप्रोप्रिएट करूंक जाय, हाडूंक जाय, अपील करूंक जाय. ठीक आहे, ह्या वर्सा सीएमान पयशे दिले न्हू, आतां तुका फक्त ऑर्डर काडूंक जाय. आतां ती ऑर्डर काडपाक कोण काडटलो? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. सो फायनान्स आमकां हिसाबता बाबा तुमी पयशे केन्ना व्हरतले आमचे कडेन? आमी म्हणटा कोण दितले पयशे? दिवंक जाय न्हू पयशे कोणेन? पळय बेश्टे वयतल्यान हाडटले पयशे. because he is the finance minister and the chief minister, he has put the money in the budget without the proposal going from the government. Department and पैसे मागूंक ना, तेणे पैसे दिले हांकां, and both these departments have got extra money. One department had got, they asked for 560, he got 562.6. One department asked for 28, he got 29.2. So he's got extra. Whatever we asked CM to put, they put in the budget.
Okay, what is the condition of your shelter home right today?
We can survive till end of May. Till end of May, I have 30 lakh rupees to cover my expenses. After that, I have a problem. And I don't want to last minute say that we have closed down like how they closed down last minute. We don't want to make that confusion. We are telling the Honorable Chief Minister, we are only talking to the Chief Minister, nobody else. Because he is the responsible person. He is the person who is giving the instructions. He is the in charge of the state. He is in charge of the police and he is in charge of the administration. आता सगळ्यांक पांया पडोंक बगर तो म्हाका सांगता तो म्हाज्या पांया पड, तुज्या पांया कित्याक पडोंक? अरे तुवें मनीस हांव मनीस मरे, तुज्या पांया पडपाक हांव बेश्टो आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू फॉरवर्ड युअर फीट. तुका प्रॉब्लम आहा तुमी सीएमाक सांगा न्हू.
रिजन कितें आसा तुमकां?
That let the Honorable CM ask that. I am not saying anything. I want my money. That's all. We don't want to get into any acquisitions. We don't want to get into any mudslinging. We don't want to point fingers. The money is given in the budget. It has to be given to us. When are we going to get it? That we will go and ask the CM. Otherwise, by next Monday, Tuesday, we'll have 200 people here and we'll be begging on the street. Today, the kotti is only in 3 hands. None of the people have got the kottis. We will take a parade in Panjim with the kottis with 200 people and it will be a very bad thing. Boy, एक कितें आसता न्हू, एक लिमीट आसता. हांव तो सारको ना, तुमी म्हाका बंद करा, ऑर्डर काडा, आमकां सगळ्यांक डिसमेंटल करा आनी बंद करा. आमी सारके आहा जाल्यार आमचे पयशे दिया आनी तांकां विचार तुमी पयशे कित्याक दिता. Very simple logic. You don't have any shelter homes in Goa. You don't have any midway homes in Goa. You have nothing to, your one-stop center is in crisis. Your orphanages are in the bigger crisis. So everything is collapsing. We are come here today to tell the Honorable CM, only the Honorable CM, you have put the money in the budget. We thank you very much. Please release it to us today. I have given him a letter on Monday saying that we want to meet him on 15th regarding the money not being paid to us. He has not replied. So until we don't go and visit him, how will we know he got a problem? Or how will he know? ताका कळ्ळें आमचें आमकडे प्रॉब्लम आहा म्हणून. जितले फाटी आमी ताजे कडेन गेले ताणें पयशे दिले आमकां, ताका खबर आहा प्रॉब्लम आहा म्हणून. आतां हे तो ताका प्रॉब्लम सांगिना तर आमी कितें करूंक शकता? पण आमी मरे फायनान्साक सांगला, स्पेशल ब्रांचाक सांगला, PIक सांगला, DYSPक सांगला, बाबा आमी आयज येता, आमकां पयशे दिवं ना. आनी कोणाक सांगू? तेंचेर ताका सांगूंक जाय न्हू, बाबा हे येता पट्ट्यो घेवन. आनी कितें, आनी सोल्युशन कितें आहा? पळय, आनी एक प्रॉब्लम वाडपाचो आहा जे आमी पयलेच सांगता एडवान्सान. आमचो मेंटल हॉस्पिटल आहा न्हू तो 190 बेड्साचो आहा. तो 400 बेड जावपाचो आहा आयदर इन डिसेंबर ओ आयदर बाय मे 2026. 400 बेड म्हणजे कितें? इतलो तुजो मेंटल लोड वाडटा, तेका लागून तें हॉस्पिटल बांदता. The next mental hospital is 250 kilometers away from here, in the next district. तो हॉस्पिटलाचो बेड हा 375. तो फक्त चलता 125. त्या जाग्यान मेन्स होम ना, त्या डिस्ट्रिक्टान मेन्स होम ना. तो सगळो लोक ट्रेनीन घालता, बशीन घालता आनी हांगा धाडटा. जेन्ना तुजे 400 बेड चालू जातले तुका 1000 बेड भायर जाय. कित्याक आमचे कडेन 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आहा जे आमच्या मेंटल हॉस्पिटलाक सरावंड करता. 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो जे 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आनी आमचं मेंटल हॉस्पिटल 250 किलोमिटर्स मिनिमम डिस्टन्स आहा. तेजो मोदी लोक वयतलो खंय? हे आतां इतले लोक जे हांगा आहा न्हू ते सगळे गोंयकार. फक्त 2 काय 3 जाण पुलिशेन हाडल्या ते नॉन गोवा. सो आमी फक्त गोंयकाराक घेता. 7 दीस जाले IPHB कोणाकूच एडमीट करिना. तो लोक वयता खंय कोणाकूच खबर ना. सगळे आमकां फोन मारून सांगता हेका वच तेका वच. मिनिस्टर मारता फोन, MLA मारता फोन, सरपंच मारता फोन, पुलीस मारता फोन. व्हरपाचें काय व्हरपाचें ना. व्हरपाचें जाल्यार आमकां पयशे मेळोंक जाय, व्हरपाचें ना जाल्यार तुमी हांकां व्हरा जाल्यार दिया कितें. हॉस्पिटल थिंगा IPHB हांव सांगता कितें जालें 7 दीस पयलीं. पेशंटाक आहा ड्रुलींग. ओके, पेशंटाक आहा ड्रुलींग म्हणजे कितें म्हणटा रे कोंकणी?
लाव गावता.
हां,
लाव गावता.
हां, ताका एक वखद आहा. IPHBन वखद बरयला with the just one alphabet change, which is for diabetes. ओके, आता हे आमकां त्रास काडूंक जाय. आतां आमी टेक्निकल मनीस न्हू, ताका लागून आमचे कडेन 2 फूल टायम डॉक्टर आहा. खंयचेच शेल्टर होम, ओल्ड एज होम, खंयचेच ऑर्गनायझेशन 24/7 2 डॉक्टर आसचेच ना. तांकां पगार दितलो कोण हांव? आतां तुमी तर मिस्टेक करता. बिकॉज ऑफ वन अल्फाबेट द मेडिसीन इज गॉट डिफरंट मेडिसीन. आतां डॉक्टर दवरला चॅक करपाक, आमचे डॉक्टर हो हे कितले पेशंट आहा ते कितें बरयतात आनी आमी दीत रावता वखद. आमकां धांवचें पडटा. कळ्ळें जातलें तें. आनी एक केस सांगता IPHBतल्यान. IPHB इज नॉट अ बॅड गाय. द प्रॉब्लम इज द डिमांड इज टू मच. दे आर स्ट्रेस्ड एंड वी ऑल्सो आर स्ट्रेस्ड. आनी एक केस सांगता. 15 दीस पयलीं आमी पेशंटाक घेवन गेले गोंयकार करून आनी डॉक्टराक सांगलें IPHB हेका मातसो एडमीट कर. डॉक्टर सांगता ताका फक्त आवाज येता न्हू कानान, जेन्ना वायलंट जाता ताका पत्तून घेवन. त्याच पेशंटाक 2 दीस पयलीं घेवन गेले. ताका एडमीट केलो आनी काल तो वायलंट जालो. ताका आतां GMCन घातलो. आतां जेन्ना आमी कितें सांगता तुमी आयकना. सो हेंकां कशें पळयतले आमी काय देव काय आमी काय मशीन? आमी मनीस. आमकांय स्ट्रेस आहा, आमकांय टायम शॉर्टेज आहा, आमकांय दुसरें पळोवंक जाय. सो एका घरान इतले प्रॉब्लम आहा तो सॉल्व करतलो कोण? थिंगा IPHB आमी फोन करून सांगले एडमीट कर, ते एडमीट करीत ना. फक्त वर म्हणटा. सो दीस सिस्टम कॅनॉट वर्क. Today's Kotti is brought is to tell the Honorable CM, boss, please give us the money or close us down if you want.
Why the 2 Kottis?
One is 2020.
सुबेज मेळटाले फुडल्या वर्सा आमकां येवपाची गरज ना न्हू. आतां स म्हयन्यांनी आमकां तुमी देंवयता मरे रस्त्यार. आतां तुमकां कांय पडलेलेच ना न्हू. हय बेश्टे येना आमी न्हू. आमी सोशल मिडियाचेर घालता, मिनिस्टराक धाडटा, सगळ्यांक सांगता. तरी पूण तुमी इंट्रस्ट घेना. म्हणजे तुमी कितें म्हणटा, रस्त्यार यो, बोबो मार, मातसो आवाज कर, मागीर पयशे व्हर. तर तेच करचें पडलें न्हू वर्साच्या वर्सा. आनी सोल्युशन कांय ना न्हू. आनी सोल्युशन कांय ना.
डिले कित्याक जाता पयशे दिवपाक? फाटल्या फावटी तुमी बोवाड केलो मागीर पयशे दिले
सो तेच सांगता न्हू.
कित्याक?
त्या पर्यंत आमी बोबो मारिना, त्या पर्यंत पयशे दिना. आतां पयलीं कितें जातालें, डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटाले फायनान्सा कडेन पयशे ना. आतां ह्या वर्सा फायनान्सान पयशे घातले न्हू, ते सकयल पावले ती दी मरे आमकां. आतां तुमकां टायम ना दिवपाक, आमी कितें करूं?
कोण दिना तो?
डायरेक्टर दोनूय डिपार्टमेंटांतले. आतां तांकां हांव बोगर वचोन येता तर सांगता कोत्ता म्हणून. एक तर म्हाका सांगता तूं म्हाका खंय खबर की पयशे तुका दिला म्हणून. अरे म्हटलें सांगता न्हू हांव दिला म्हणून. तूं फायनान्साक विचार मरे फोन करून ते पयशे कित्याक दिला, आपल्याक एक्स्ट्रा कित्याक मेळ्ळे बजेटान? खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक एक्स्ट्रा पयशे मेळना. जितले मागले तितलेच दितले. तुका एक्स्ट्रा मेळले न्हू. जेन्ना एक्स्ट्रा मेळले आमी सांगलें न्हू ते बाबा ते पयशे आमचे. आतां 45 डेज जाले न्हू. बजेट केन्ना जालें? 26 मार्च. हे 45 डेज आनी ते 50 दीस जाले मरे. फाल्यां तर जूज पुतून जाले, आमी कितें करूं? देर इज नो सपोर्ट सिस्टम. सी कोणाकूच मरे एम्पथी ना हे असले मनशाक. फक्त बोब मारपाचे. आमी हे केलें ते केलें ते कोत्ता तुमी ना म्हणना. जे पडलेले आहा ते करा न्हू पयले. जे आमचे कडेन पड हेंचे कडेन DSS कार्ड्स ना, हेंचे कडेन पेन्शन ना. CMन प्रॉमीस केला तो सांगता आपल्याक CMाक सांग, आपल्याक फोन करून सांग तुका दी म्हणून. सो CMन एक फावटी कितें पॅक करपाचें सगल्यांक न्हू. एक आमकां पॅक कर काय एक तांकां पॅक कर. काय कितें तरी सिस्टम दी आमकां न्हू. फाल्यां तुमचे जेन्ना 400 बेड वाडटले तो लोक उरलो लोक वयतलो खंय? ते आमचेच कडेन येतले. आमी तर घेना. लोक म्हणटा पळय हेंची पोटां भरली. एक दोग जाण एक्टिविस्ट आसले. हांव वायट म्हणना. म्हाका म्हणटा तुका कित्याक व्हरोंक जायना? अरे म्हणटा तेका सिस्टम ना व्हरपाक. बेश्टो उखलून व्हरोंक कोणाकूय तुमी बेश्टो बोब मारता म्हणा. हांवें म्हणलें तूं सिस्टम फॉलो कर. एका एक्टिविस्टान सिस्टम फॉलो केलो ते पेशंट हांगा आहा. दुसऱ्या एक्टिविस्टान सिस्टम लोक कितें उलयता आमचे ट्रोल करता, नेगेटीव कमेंट मागता, कितें स्प्रेड रुमर करता बाबा हेच व्हरना. अरे व्हरतलो गो. ताका एक सिस्टम आहा न्हू.
this thing is, having been part of the administration at one time, and also having been the SP in charge of anti-corruption, when everything is cleared, it has only reached what has to be dispersed is at the level of the director of those departments. I hate to presume or believe that this is being done so that they may get some incentive from an organization. I hate to make this allegation, but this is the impression that goes around. Others, what else is left when the political leadership, the senior bureaucracy has cleared all these files? You have to only disperse. Either your ego is too big, which needs to be punctured, or you are expecting something which you actually don't deserve. You should be doing your work. This is the only thing I can say. What do we gain from here? What am I gaining? Am I getting some money or something from this? It is our concern for society, just as we all are also concerned. We have to do something. So my appeal to them is clear that damn files, and it doesn't require, if and especially in administration, if required, if the political will is there, within 24 hours things get cleared. But this is, we are sending intimations, sending all these things, still there is no reaction. Either sawdust is filling their brains or they are so thick-skinned that they are least bothered. That is my only appeal to the district, that please highlight that there is a gap between the mouth and the hand. These people, absolutely. And I hope they don't expect that they should get something from these people. We are just a medium, and Donald has been working so hard for it. Just a by medium. What does he get? What do we get? Nothing. They should also not expect anything. It is dispersal to these people.
What is your appeal on that?
Sorry.
Appeal.
My real appeal is clear the damn files. Why are you sleeping on it? Don't try and tell him that, this fellow has not told me, that fellow. Your duty, find out, is it yes or no? And tell us straight away, it is not clear. Don't keep this ambiguity continuing. It's embarrassment for a small state like Goa that we have to come every time on the streets. No conscience this guy has got.
And we will try to beat him. If we don't beat him today, by next Wednesday, there will be 200 people roaming around Panjim with this in their hand. And that will be not a good something for us. See, today we didn't make them, it is not their fault, it is my fault. So I have not given them these kottis. The kottis are in my hand. He is one volunteer, he is one volunteer. He is separate and he is the manager. No kotti in his hand. I cannot make him catch the kotti. So, with these kottis now, and we have the full bag of kottis here. We can give everybody to carry, but we will not do that. We will go to CM's bungalow so that CM also understands, Baba, your administration is taking you for granted, taking me for granted, and taking the poor people for granted. Now we cannot be taken for granted. So there is no other solution. And this is only 1/3 or 1/4 strength we have. Moment 200 people come, it will become a mess. More, see how much police outside. We will have to bring more police there. So we will proceed now to CM's bungalow and we will apprise him. Baba, this is the current scenario. You have given the money, but they are not giving us the money. We don't even know if we are going to get the money or not. And I cannot wait. I have money only till end of May. After that, I don't have any money. आता पोलीस परमिशन दिनाला पोलीस स्टेशन बसे आमकां ते खूप सोल्युशन जालें न्हू told CM is not in the box.
Not at the residence. Okay, thank you.
Well, now the ladies what I got, what do I do with them? I have no money. I cannot take them back home. That's why I put them in the car. I cannot talk like that in front of them. They are rape victims. They are.
She is in no position to make a decision.
But it's all here. So let us go. We will be proceeding now to the Honorable CM's bungalow. Mamladar has not been able to give us any favorable answers. We are not in a position to go on standing up here. There are only two options I think so we have. One is we go to the CM's bungalow, or one is the police stop us. We have to go and sit in Panjim police station. There is no other option. See, this is the 6th time we are coming to the street in the last 18 months. And how many more times we are going to come? It cannot be. It is very stressful to bring all these people out. Expensive, headache, so many things have to be stopped. So we will proceed now to CM's bungalow to tell him. Now if nobody is giving us an answer, what we will do? And we have come here with an appointment. We have not just come here without telling the administration. We have come here with an appointment.
Yes.
So the only option is we will take the buses now and proceed to CM's bungalow. If CM is not there, then we will have to wait till CM comes or send somebody to speak to us. Some assurance should be given to us. This cannot go on. So we will proceed now. Thank you very much. We'll all come. ना ना सर तुमच्या गाडी घेऊन पोलीस स्टेशन not something which is difficult for the administration to answer. Tomorrow we'll close down. People will say you have closed down without telling us. So now we are telling you we are closing down. You give us the money to close us down.
So what do you think is the real problem?
I don't know.
Why you not getting
See, let the CM give an answer to you. I said first of all, I am not going to make any accusations against nobody. I am come for the money. If there is no money, you tell us to. We told him we'll come and sit in the police station with all the residents. Let them detain everybody. No?
How many are there with you now?
Now there are 65 ladies.
65 ladies.
आता पळय मरे PI कितें म्हणटा आता लेट PI टॉक नो
Mamladar
didn't talk to us and she said you cannot go there finished because you have no appointment. If we had appointment we would have gone directly. Why will come here? Last time they gave us appointment we went, he sorted it out. This time they didn't give appointment.
This is some harassment is going on.
I am not commenting on it.
अपॉइंटमेंट at least CM.
We asked him on Monday, we sent him a letter, nobody replied to us. पळय सेक्रेटरी वयता एंड ऑफ द मंथ तो दुसरो कोण सेक्रेटरी येयला ताणें तो एग्री जावंक ना आमचे पत्ते उरतले तर सेक्रेटरीन तांकां सांगला मिनिस्टरान तांकां सांगला 15 तारीख तांकां ऑर्डर दी.
Till yesterday evening, you were waiting for CM because you were following up with you. You said still we did not get. Did you reach out to CM's office to see what is the status there?
I WhatsApped the person in charge who was kept by CM to help us. And he did not reply to my message. Okay, we WhatsApped finance also. He said he will talk to someone. See, this is an administration problem. So who is the administration that the police should call them here or ask them something. If he wants us to sit all 65 people here, we'll sit. We don't have any problem. You can't tell me to sit and 60 people will sit in the odd somewhere.
But this issue has been happening for the last 1.5
See,
to 2
people
years.
are not understanding.
And you are coming on the street every time, sometime to be positive about the steps, sometime to be
Negative. See, when the money
Not
comes, we
negative.
are positive. When it does not come, we have to get negative now.
yeah. But why only you have to? Is it the responsibility of the respective departments to follow up?
So you all should ask.
Somebody should be
you all
ownership.
should, when you all take this initiative with the minister or with the CM, you all should ask them this question. Sir, these people are shouting there. You all have not given the money. You all have promised the money. You all should ask them some question also. No? See, we are telling our side. You all have to take their side bite also. No? What they are saying. No? It can be only that we are grumbling and they are not even having any issue with it.
So this problem from when it is
Now,
started?
this is now almost this is the third year we are fighting.
For what reason? Because of
For funds,
director
no?
or some?
See, wherever we go, people have one notion. NGOs are making money. You say police are bad, doctors are bad, advocates are bad, government officials are bad, ministers, everybody is bad. So who is good? Press is bad, press is biased. If we go on finding fingers with everybody, we are back to this solution. So if there is somebody better than the next person, he should do it, no? If the minister is not good, you become the minister, or you become the press guy, you become the doctor and do. Commenting is easy. Commenting is easy, no? Everybody is finding fault with everybody. We have to understand, Baba, it doesn't work because you are saying I'm bad, I become bad, or because you are saying I'm good, I become good. There should be systems. No? How we are going to survive with the people increasing on the street?
Donald, are you indicating the reason you're not getting your due funds is because they think that you have enough funds?
Let us say each and every government official is taking bribe. Comes to the same thing, na? If you think bad about me, I think bad about you. It's very simple. See, who is stopping those officials from putting up their own NGOs, taking the government money and looking out for people? Nobody is stopping anybody, no? Nobody is stopping me from becoming this government official. So, let us not go somewhere. Let us find out why is the CM's word not being given the due importance. That is the point of discussion. Or the minister's word, or the secretary's word. No? Let us talk to these three people, CM, minister and secretary. Let us not go beyond that, no?
But now, आता तुम्ही police station you have been arrested or detained.
No,
What
he said
exactly?
he said he'll have to detain me. So I told him we'll bring all the residents and sit here. Let them make some arrangement for them to sit.
But why they wanted to detain you?
Because no, they didn't say. He said we will have to detain you if you go to the chief minister's house. So we told him we'll come to the police station and sit.
That alternative.
Alternative we'll give and we'll bring them also inside. So let them come to some conclusion. See, it is a very simple solution. Somebody has to call somebody and ask them what's the problem. So
In the vehicle?
50 inmates and about 20 caregivers
Care.
just to manage them. 2 doctors are there full time and our normal volunteers. Here,
75, 80.
let them, we can take at least 10 inmates inside. See, until police don't see our problem, or until somebody does not see the problem, how will you know that? It is like I said, NGOs are only asking for money.
I mean, we have been following this now for quite some time now. It's totally irritating and disgusting. In the manner the whole scenario has been handled. आम्ही गेले पण आम्ही सांगलेलें की आम्ही PIL फायल करतले म्हणून पण जेन्ना पळय CMन एश्युरन्स दिले आनी ती बजेट एलोकेट केले आनी ते आमकां सांगून दिले की पैसे दितले म्हणून तर आमी डिसायड केले टू वेट फॉर सम टायम पूण आतां म्हाका दिसता PIL इज दी ओनली सोल्युशन एंड वी वील इम्प्लिकेट बोथ द डायरेक्टर्स because it's quite clear in the press and it's quite clear everywhere that the CM has allocated the budget. Budgetary allocation has been made, but the directors are not moving the files. I mean, this is a standard procedure in any administrative setup, where the directors are supposed to take it on themselves and do what is required. Proceed with the file, give the file and ask for approvals and all this and distribute the money. So, अशें दिसता की the directors are not interested. एकूच सांगूंक सोदता आमचे डायरेक्टर भावांक आनी भयणींक बाबा ही गजाल या जे पळय कोणाक हें ना घर ना जे पळय रस्त्यार आसा जे पळय आम आदमी जे पळय हे लोक पळय रस्त्यार आसा ते काम एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंटाचें. वॉट इज द मिनींग ऑफ सोशल वेलफेअर? यू लूक एट वेलफेअर ऑफ whom? Whether it is, you look at welfare of those who are unfortunate, correct? Now if these people, the directors, don't understand the meaning of social welfare and well-being, then I think these people are not fit to be in the departments. And it is my strong appeal as a volunteer. I can feel the pulse of so many unfortunate people who are there, and they are trying their very. We are trying our very best to see that they are being given a shelter, given treatment, given all the basic amenities of life. So I think it's not fair. It's not fair for and I think the CM has to take strong notice of all this, because ultimately कोणाचे नाव पिड्यार जाता? कोणाचे नाव पिड्यार जाता? It is the whole administration, and the administration is under the CM's nose. So I think the CM has to take an initiative. Why you all don't get these people removed if they don't have humanity? If they don't have humility? If these people are not concerned about humanity, then they should be removed from their post, and somebody else who is really concerned with the welfare of the people should be put into that place. This is completely unfair. It looks as if the whole social welfare department is biased. He is only taking care of other things rather than the basic amenities of humanity. Baba, humility तर करशी तुम्ही आंच बोडे जातले, आणि तुम्ही ह्युमिलिटी तर तुम्ही मेंटेन करना जाल्यार तुम्ही देवसार जातले अशें म्हाका दिसता. Angels have become devils. Okay, so if you all want to go by that standard formula where angels become devils, then it's very sad.
We will be kept here till we get assurance. We will not leave this place. We are visiting the collector now to hand over a representation. We will see what the collector is saying. These are psychiatric ladies. These are ladies with disabilities. These are senior citizens. And we will not be leaving this place till we get some commitment when our grants, when our orders are going to be given. So very soon, once we finish the collector, you will see the ladies all sitting here outside the police station, and then they'll have to detain all of us. You cannot detain only 3 of us. You have to detain everybody, otherwise I am not taking anybody back.
Jail baro
No, jail baro. We are come peacefully. We are come because these are some of them are brought from this police station also. So let him take his patients back. Let the PI take his patients back, and then remaining will go and give to all the police stations. So we are not going away. Food is being provided by Navtara at the moment. We are going to meet the collector. We will come back, and then all will be brought into the police station. But we want an order, or we want a commitment which is not difficult when you are giving us the orders. Nothing is difficult. The money is there. We will not leave this place. It is going to create health issues. Government should get 108 and keep it here to safeguard the interest of the inmates. Otherwise, the responsibility lies with the government. Thank you. We have visited the deputy collector with the inspector. We have given him a representation which we demanded that our funds from these three departments should be released. And initially he said to wait for few days, which we have not agreed. We have told him we will sit here till we get an assurance from wherever he is going to give this representation that when they are going to give us the orders. Till we don't get any confirmation, we are not leaving this place. We have called 108 just to hang around because they are old ladies. We are trying to move the buses to the shade so that the ladies are not affected. But we are not leaving the place till we get an assurance, which is a very simple solution. Somebody needs to call somebody and find out what is the problem. So till that time, we will be waiting for the collector to get back to us. So 70% have been given 20,000 allocation and 30% have been given 12,500 allocation. It's a substantial amount. So let us see. That's what the CM has put. We do not know how much they're going to give us. Whether they're going to give us what we asked the CM or they're going to cut and give us something. So
we have been planning again reviewing this issue for the past so many years. You met CM, there was a meeting. What has happened to all this?
nothing, absolutely nothing. The administration is only understanding that NGOs are making money and asking for grants, which we have said that if you feel that we are asking for grants, you don't give us the grants and close us down. We are ready to shut down tomorrow morning if the government passes one order. No hard feelings against nobody. When the budget has been put by the CM, that means the CM is aware that there is a demand. But these gentlemen and gentle lady or the staff or administration, whoever we call it, is not understanding what we are saying. So we will not leave till we get an assurance. Let them check with the administration what is the problem. Let them give their side of the story. Why they have delayed. When it was assured that 15th of May the orders will be given. Minister assured, secretary assured.
How many senior citizens are?
Now in this 60 what we brought, at least 30 will be senior citizens. That too with disabilities.
What is the number that per scheme are there under you?
We are having close to 190. Out of which 90% are goals. We are not taking any non-goals into our home for the last 6 months. So now it is close to 1 o'clock. We are outside Panjim police station. Honorable CM has called us for a meeting tomorrow. We will place our issues in front of the Honorable CM. DYSP Tushar has been kind enough to get us an appointment, which we will get an appointment. Tomorrow we will meet the CM. We will tell him, we will remind him of whatever was assured to us, and we will tell him that we are unable to carry on beyond 31st May because we don't have the money. So as of now, all the ladies will be sent back. We will also be going. We also don't want to hang around in the heat. हांगा गरमी चड जाता. थोडे जाण मातशे स्ट्रेस जाला. सो फाल्यां रावतले आमी सीएमाच्या अपॉयंटमेंटाक. सीएमाक आमी सांगतले सगळे कितें आहा ते फॅक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स आमी फॉरवर्ड करतले. बँक स्टेटमेंट घेवन वयतले, ताका दाखयतले आमचे कडेन कितले पयशे उरला ते. आनी नेक्स्ट स्टेप आय एम शुअर दॅट वी हॅव फेथ दॅट बिकॉज सीएम हेज गिवन द मनी वील मेक द ऑर्डर्स ऑल्सो गेट इट आउट टू अस.
कितलो टायम जालो तुमकां प्रॉब्लम फेस करचो पडटा?
हो आता ते प्रॉब्लम हा न्हू. आता आमी आतां स फावटी येयला 3 वर्सांनी. सो आतां सद्याक प्रॉब्लम ना. सद्याक प्रॉब्लम इगो तो पयसांचो प्रॉब्लम ना. इतल्या वर्सां पयसांचो प्रॉब्लम आसलो. आतां पयसांचो प्रॉब्लम ना. देर इज नो मनी प्रॉब्लम. देर इज एन इगो प्रॉब्लम दॅट how you have got the budget without we putting the proposal or how CM gave the money. So that's an ego problem. So we don't look at this as a problem. We look at this as a slip between the cup and the lip. So we will tell this Honorable CM that we are unable to carry forward after 31st May because you have promised us a lot of things. You have promised us DSSY which we have not got. You have promised us some other grants which have not come. Last year's grant in certain departments, those are not sorted out, leave it. You have promised that money will be paid in advance, it is not happening. And we don't know what else we are going to ask. But as of now, we would not like to keep the ladies in the buses, it's too hot here. Okay, although the AC is there in the bus, we are leaving this place, Panjim police station. We appreciate PI Vijay Chodamkar for being patient with us. We are appreciating the Deputy Collector for making some calls, and we appreciate that Tushar Sahib has fixed up an appointment tomorrow with the CM. We will tell the CM the same thing, that if you don't have the money, sir, please find another alternative. We cannot do it. So thank you all. We appreciate the media covering this agitation of ours or our demonstration or whatever troubles we are going through. And let us hope that we don't come back to the street for the full year again.
What time this appointment is here?
So he didn't tell us. He said you will get a call. You'll get a call. So we will take it for truth that they will call us. They have, whenever they have said they have called, they have called.
So inmates will come tomorrow.
No, I don't think it is right to bring them out again tomorrow to the CM's bungalow. They must be already tired by now. But let us have faith that the CM will issue the instructions. We'll get the orders and things will move systematically. To stay full time in the home. We have close to 85 staff across our thing. So a lot of cost are involved. We are the only shelter home, only NGO, only whatever you call, having 2 full-time doctors. They are like RMOs, resident medical officers. So we have 1 lady, 1 gent. So that much care we are putting. We have 4 physiotherapists visiting our shelter homes. 31 2-year trained nurses are there in the shelter home. So a lot of cost are involved. And we don't feel that we should be deprived of the budget which has been allocated.
So if the budget is allocated and everything is good and from CM side, what is the need for you to meet? Why no phone call cannot do the trick?
Correct. So let us given to understand that we have told the Deputy Collector the same thing, why did you make a phone call, which he made to the Director. Director gave him a reason which I don't want to accept. So basically is, since the heat is rising, okay, let us accept what the Honorable CM has instructed to come and visit him tomorrow. Let us wait for 24 hours. But I am very clear that if I don't get my money, if I don't get the orders, we will come back now with 200 people across Panjim with the Kotti, and we will not do it.
फाल्यां मिटिंगेक तुमकां जावपायला का अदर ऑफिशियल्स
No, that is a call the Honorable Chief Minister has to do. We are only going to tell the Chief Minister. See, they may have sorted out the issue by now and they may be telling us something. But we want the orders or we don't want to carry it.